Just sit tight on your lily pad. It's silly bad will pass. Then those who sport this season's looks will fall flat on their. Ask your mother what it's called. Fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner. Turn around the corner. Someone's gonna fall for you. I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Some will find me sexy in my way. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you have a ball. Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Do you really believe that?
Of course I do. If I think the parts will definitely only my research and gastronomic research. I'm telling you, fellas, you gotta look on the sunny side of the living man.
The ugliest of creatures have you redeeming features. So bright and your bell point shine. A mouth that points from east to west is bound to make you feel depressed. It's better if the corners both point north.
That's the idea. So good. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes.
Tell you that is
out there. Someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all. Now you've broken my language. Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle. The chance is small. It's true. Just think. Whenever you be roosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
Somewhere out there, we don't know where. Someone who cares, they're gonna love your warts and all. Somewhere out there, we don't know where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy, someone find me sexy in my way.
They'll find you sexy.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
Warts and all.
Out there in my puddle, someone needs a cuddle. Though the chance is small, it's true. Just think, whenever you be roosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a